So hello everyone, this is Siddesh and I'd like to welcome you all to this Compose Camp practice video series organized by the Google Developer Student Club at PVG COET Pune. So before we start off with today's video, I'd like to give you some details about what is Google Developer Student Club, what is Compose Camp, and why this is being organized. So first of all, the Google Developer Student Club. So Google Developer Student Club are university-based community groups for students whose basic goals is about sharing and spreading the knowledge amongst the peers. So they organized different events to share the new developer technologies and spread awareness for them. Then what is this Compose Camp? So the Compose Camp is organized by Google Developer Club this year. So the Compose Camp is generally a part of the Android study jams. There is also a program organized by GDSC every year, and mainly the goal of that program is to every year to learn about something new, technologies that are happening in Android. So in this series, we're going to learn about this Compose UI toolkit developed by Google. So let us get started. So this question will definitely come into your mind: why should I learn Android? Why should I learn Compose UI toolkit? Why should I watch these video series, etc., etc.? If you ask me this question, I'll say why not? Because learning Android, Kotlin, and Compose UI toolkit will definitely add new tools in your belt, as well as it will help you to increase more career opportunities for you in the future. And Android is also among the top highly paid industries in IT. So I just cannot find any good reason to not to do it. I hope the whys are clear, and let's get started with today's video. So this video series is going to be about completing this Android Basic with Compose course developed by Google. So why we have to watch this series again? So I'll say you can watch this series to get a brief idea of what are the chapters in this course are going to be about, and these videos will also help you to understand the concept that are explained by in the Google's course much easily and in a much less time. So let us see how we can approach this Android Basics with Compose course. So to do this Android Basics with Compose course, what you need to do is, in any browser, just go and open Google and go search for Android Basics with Compose. You'll get this first link, which is developer.android.com/course. Go on to that one and scroll on the bottom, and you will see this course. So the video series that this GDSC team is creating right now will serve as an overview for all of these chapters. Okay, so each chapter has some sub chapters as well, some pathways that they call. As you can see in this first chapter, which is your first Android app, there are 3 pathways. So first is Introduction to Kotlin, second is setting up the Android Studio, and the third one is creating a basic app with Compose framework. So these videos will help you to complete these activities and the quizzes for these courses that you will get when you will complete these courses. So you can see we can complete these courses by doing all these watching all these videos and the code labs. And after performing this quiz, you'll get these developer badges, and you can use these developer badges to showcase it to your friends and peers. So you can see I have some badges which I've gained by completing these pathways. So let us see and let us take an overview about this course. What is this course contains, and what are the of the course. So unit 1, your first Android app. In this unit we are going to be learning about the basics of the Kotlin, basics of Android, and getting started by building our very basic app with Android. In the second unit, we will be focusing more on the UI side of the Android. We learn about how to list elements in our application. We learn about how to arrange them. We learn about how to color them. We learn about how to animate them as well. The third unit is going to be about display lists and use of material design. So in this unit we're going to be mainly focusing on using these material design toolkits to create our application, to give it a more professional, modern, clean UI look. The fourth unit is going to be about navigation and app architecture. So in this unit we're going to be learning about how we can create multiple pages application and how we can architect our application.